Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the basics of math operations. Whether you're a math newbie or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First up is addition. Addition is all about combining numbers to find the total. Think of it like putting together pieces of a puzzle. For example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's say you have 5 apples and you get 3 more. Now you have 8 apples. Next is subtraction. This operation is about finding the difference between numbers by taking one away from the other. Imagine you have 9 cookies and you eat 4 of them. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now you have 5 cookies. 5 cookies left. Yum! Moving on to multiplication. It's like addition on repeat. Instead of adding the same number multiple times, you can multiply. For example, 6 times 7 equals 42. It's like having 6 groups of 7 candies each. That's a lot of candies. Finally, we have division. Division is all about splitting a number into equal parts. If you have 12 chocolates and you want to share them equally among 3 friends, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Each friend gets 4 chocolates. Sharing is caring. Great job, everyone. And that's it for today's lesson on basic math operations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on those addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everything.